use Salesforce as a CRM application in my business, where on daily basis we add thousands of new contacts in our Salesforce account. Now, I want to create a systematic record of all the contacts that is added in my Salesforce account directly into my Google Sheets. Now, adding the details one by one manually from Salesforce to Google Sheets is a very time-consuming part. Here is where this setup is very useful. You add a new contact in your Salesforce and find that contact is automatically updated in your Google Sheets as a record as well. Now, I'm going to tell you can create this setup without need of any coding and programming skills using the software Pabbly Connect. Let me show you how. I will create a new contact in my Salesforce account in front of you. I will add in all the details and show you, and then we'll see that contact is added in my Google Sheets or not. So let me add in the details. So here is the detail of my new lead. First contact is the full name. This is the phone number. This is the mobile number. Title is new online store lead. Over here the email is first.user@pabblytudes.com. Lead source is web. 145 Newtown, Bhopal, MP, India, and this is the zip code and this is the description. I have created this new contact in my Salesforce account. As now this contact has been created, now if I'm going to open my Google Sheets, you will see that automatically the record of the same contact is added in Google Sheets. First contact, first.user@pabblytudes.com. The same phone number, address 145 Newtown, Bhopal, MP, India. This is the code and the lead source is web. So as now the contact is successfully created in my Google Sheets, this is how the setup is actually going to work. The contact that's created in your Salesforce account will be kept as a record in your Google Sheets. You will get systematic record of all the leads data in one place where all the team members can easily collaborate so that you don't have to share the access of your Salesforce account to your clients or anyone. They will find the details directly in Google Sheets itself. So now I'm going to teach you in this video how you can create this setup. So stay tuned till the end of this video. If you want the free template of this workflow I have created, you just want to use it yourself, you can check out the workflow link in the description section. I will be creating this amazing automation using the software Pabbly Connect. In order to access Pabbly Connect, search for pabbly.com/connect on a new tab. You will come to the landing page. Now, if you're logging in for the first time inside Pabbly Connect, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every month. Using the 100 tasks, you can create the setup right away without paying any cost. Test it out from your end how it's working, and then you can plan to purchase our yearly or lifetime plans of Pabbly. The coupon code that you can see on the left side of my screen will help you to get instant and amazing discounts. As you will purchase our plans, you will get access to more amazing features of Pabbly and unlimited tasks. Go ahead, purchase our plans and automate your business workflows. I have already logged into my Pabbly Connect account, and that is where you will find the dashboard. Now to create a new workflow, go towards this Create Workflow option and select the option of Create using Quick Builder. Using this workflow builder, just by giving the prompt, you can generate the entire workflow in front of you without selecting trigger and actions manually. So now what I will write right here. I want to sync my Salesforce data to Google Sheets. So I will send this request towards this AI flow builder. This AI will analyze the request, and I have to select in my Salesforce. As soon as a new contact is created, automatically in my Google Sheets the data should be added. Now after that, I'm going to approve the workflow from here and open the workflow. Now after opening the workflow, let's set up the trigger first. Click on this connect option, go towards this add new connection section and go to this connect with Salesforce account. Now it is asking for the access of the account, for which I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. After the connection is created, you need to click on this save and send test request button. As soon as you will do that, the last contact that was created in your Salesforce account will be captured in this response. So before that, let's create a new contact in our Salesforce account. I will add in the new contact's details again right here. The name is Amaze User. This is the phone number. This is the mobile number. It's a new online store lead. Amaze.user@pabblytudes.com. It's a web lead. Address is 8 Old Area, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, India. This is the postal code. I will save this contact from here. As now the contact is created, Amaze Amaze user, you can see if I'm going to go back and click on this save and send test request button, you will see automatically in the trigger the response of this contact is going to be captured. This is the ID of the contact, name is Amaze user. If I'll scroll down, it's 08 area, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. This is the code, country IN, that is India. You will scroll down, you will see the email address amaze.user. The lead is title new online store lead with all the other details. The data has been captured. So as now the data is captured in the trigger, Salesforce is connected to Pabbly Connect. Over here it says the trigger will check for the new data in 3 hours. Salesforce is a pulling based application. That means the response of the new contact created is not going to be instantly captured. It will search for the new data in your Salesforce account in the duration that you will select. That will be called as trigger time. If you want to set a trigger time, right click on Salesforce and go to the set trigger time option and select this time right over here according to your requirement. I want it as 30 minutes, so I will select the trigger time as 30 minutes and you will see it will be updated. And every 30 minutes Salesforce is going to search for the new contact and capture the response in the trigger. Okay, now what I want to send this and add this contact's details in my Google Sheets. For that, simply we're going to set up the Google Sheets step. Click on this connect option, go towards this add new connection section and click on this sign in with Google button. Now select the account with the help of which you have created your spreadsheet from here, and then it is asking for the access of the account, for which I'm going to click on this allow button as this is a safe process. After doing that, we have to select the spreadsheet and the sheet, for which I'll select Salesforce contacts data and the sheet in the name of sheet 1. So I'll select those details from here. After doing that, next you will find all the headers that you have created in your spreadsheet as rows inside your Pabbly Connect's workflow. Now we are going to map the data in all these fields. So for the data of these fields, we are mapping the data. Mapping works. Add a slash previous step is going to appear. Search for the data that you want to enter. I want to add in the name, so I will select the data of the name of this contact from my previous response, which makes this data mapped and dynamic. Now whenever a new response will be captured in the previous step of the new contact, automatically that data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, I will enter the email address, the phone number and all the other details and show you the entire response that I have captured right here. Okay, as I've entered all the details, I'm going to click on this save and send test request button. I have received a response like this, which is a positive response, and you will see the contact is added successfully. Amaze user, amaze.user@pabblitudes.com. This is the phone number. Address is 8 Old Area, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. This is the postal code and the lead source is web. So as now the response is successfully captured in Google Sheets, the connection between these two applications is now created. Add a new contact in your Salesforce account and you will find the details and record of that contact in Google Sheets automatically through this setup. Now if you want to purchase a yearly or lifetime plan, go and check out the code on the left side of my screen. The same code is in the description section. If you have questions or doubts related to this setup, comment down below. I will reply to all your queries as soon as possible. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.